Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Today is Saturday? No, today is Sunday, and we're gonna be doing a video on an altcoin, and today's coin is Ripple XRP. We have been watching this coin for a very, very long time. A lot of people have been waiting for this upside to come. A little bit of upside is here, and people are getting excited again. I want to just fully be clear, I have no XRP and I have no biases. I'm only going to talk to charts because there's a lot of people want to talk bad about it and there's a lot of people want to talk good about it. All I care about is the price action. So from the price action on the weekly, you can see that right now we're getting a little bit of love on XRP. And I do think that the weekly has plenty of room for continuation upside, even though there's only 11 hours and 39 minutes left on this weekly candle. I'm looking for continuation into next week. And then if you turn on the doodles that we've already had, we were already confirming that this 47 was support. We were looking for upside into 87 cents, and we can see that this is one level of resistance between 63 and 65 cents. Once the 63 to 65 cents is busted, I'm expecting it to go straight to 72 and then 82. It's 82 cents where I find my real resistance to be broken for the continuation into that dollar area for maybe in the next month. I don't want to put my foot in my mouth, but yeah, be next month because things look like you have grounded the look at this grinding consolidation, right? You can use EMAs for a guidance on like, hey, where do you expect the bottom? You can look at RSI looking like, hey, where's bottom? The craziest thing that I have noticed that if you turn off all the other, okay, if you just do naked TA like this, look at this consolidation, okay, all the way to where the EMAs are converging each other on around 24 cents. And look at RSI. RSI freaking never went or oversold. It only sat at the midline on RSI, and it's always only done that. I have not seen freaking Ripple ever lose the zero point 0.5 RSI, and that is thanks to Mr. Garlinghouse. So thank you, Mr. Garlinghouse, on this higher time frame. It looks like he's doing his job by keeping it on support. Now we're going to a weekly, okay, a little bit deeper of a time frame. And on the weekly even, it's so rare for it to ever touch oversold conditions. Someone is doing their job at Ripple and making the market not ever letting this asset get too oversold on a weekly. Okay, let's go to a daily. Same shit, guys. Even on a daily time frame, we won't let it touch oversold conditions. So the point I'm trying to get at right now is, at least I'm not going to do it on daily because this consolidation is so nasty. On a weekly, if you're trading a XRP, you know that when it comes underneath the 0.5 RSI, that is your best buy. You do tap over bought conditions. You have never touched the bottom, but you do touch the top. So the point I'm trying to get at is these tops here, okay, correspond to whatever this was. This top here corresponds to this top over here. This top over here, touch it. When I'm talking about tops, I'm talking about break of the RSI is corresponding to this shit all the way over here. There's no tops here, blah, 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 blah. The next time you got a top was right over here, right here. Next time you got a top after that was right here. So now what does that tell me? When we get double tops, okay, if you get double tops and it's equal like this, and you have this top here and this top here, obviously that's bearish divergence, right? So that's why this top right here marked the top after a double top, bearish divergence, and it played out. Look at this again. Here's your top. This doesn't count. This does. This does. Double top, bearish divergence. Now you get that played out. Did we get another? I mean, this is, you only got two examples of this in your history on Ripple, right? So basically, the point I'm trying to get at is this is not a top, in my opinion. I want an RSI read of overbought conditions, and then I want a double top RSI read of overbought conditions. Another little data point I can give you is that okay, time frame. Okay, from this top to this double top took about a year, 231 days. Okay, that's a lot of damn time, guys. That's why Ripple is a killer. The time is what kills you guys. You're not patient. Here's the next double top. 147 days. This was like 100 and whatever, and this was 147. You got to look back how many days this was yeah, in the video. The point I'm trying to get at, you're going to get 147 days after the first tap for the second bearish divergence possibility. At least 100 days. Okay, whatever that one was, well, this one was near 100 plus, right? So I want to say once this gives an RSI top and it gets a pullback, that ain't the top. I'm looking for the second RSI top almost 100 days later to give me a bearish divergence. Meaning everyone who's going to get excited when this thing pumps to like 88 cents and then gets very sad and depressed when it rejects, they are not listening to this video. They are not following a trading plan. They have no idea what the hell they're talking about. They're just trading emotionally with a chart. What I am assuming is something like this to happen. I mean, this nonsense, whatever. You know, something like this gonna come back, make everyone a little bit sad, maybe bearish, you know, all the way over here maybe, and then you're gonna see that going like, hey, the market let people short, and then they brought it like that, you know. Then they hurt the people who try to short. So something like this is what I'm looking for. And then we can see, hey, is there a bearish divergence situation on RSI? Is this time we come over here into the 118 and whatever, and then we actually make a bullish consolidation here above 126, and we look for the next leg up to take out this high. You know what I mean? Like, I have more levels on the fibs. I'm not showing you guys the colored fibs because I don't want you guys to be distracted by how high this can go and whatnot. Let's just focus on this level first. Break this level of $1.26, and then we could look for the next extension. As of right now, since you have 100 plus days to worry about this, keep in mind, first stop is this going to be the 72 cents. You know you got these equal highs. They're going to mess around with you like this. Okay, it's gonna be like this in this consolidation. Then you got this pop out, right? Once this triangle actually matures and actually gives you that little leg up out of here, you probably touch the hypotenuse of the triangle, find support around like 59, 60 cents, and then look for that as support bounce to the next level. Because it's so, you know, this is a very, very managed coin. It doesn't like to get too excited. And when it does get too excited, they definitely manage it back. So if you're expecting some kind of long-term trend on this, I think the point of this coin is stability. So if you're looking for uptrend or downtrend or anything too um, aggressive, I think you're on the wrong asset to trade them because the whole point of this coin is stability. So take that for what it is, guys. This is not going to be a very a popular video amongst a lot of Ripple fans, but you know, this is my honest opinion. Take it for what it's worth. I do think upside is coming. Where is resistance? I don't know. It's only when we like really, really break above like $2 and have I need to see a consolidation. Not just a straight up, not just a straight down. I need to see whatever we do this shit on, this little choppity choppity chop 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 chop. I need to see that over here. I need to see that over here. I need to see that over here. Or over here. Higher. Okay? Not choppity chop chop chop. Choppity chop 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 chop. Kiss everyone, burn everyone out, then pop. Trap all the FOMO retail believers at the top, take their money back. Chop, 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 do it again. Chop, 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 chop. That is not, this is not an asset you trade properly. Okay, if this is what you think is good, same time frame, okay? I'm gonna go on the same time frame. And I don't even want to pick Bitcoin or ETH. I just want to pick like something random other than that. Let's go with CHZ, Chili's. Probably just as bad, but at least you got a little bit of downturn. Okay, you're trying to break out of this support over here at 10 cents. Once that 10-cent support is broken, you I already have TA on this. This is because of overease. Um, a quick thing though you can see on this chart is that your RSI is already near overbought conditions, and it's because you're hitting this resistance over here between 16 to 18. Remove this. This is useless. This is useless. This one is useless because it went under. Hold on, I'm gonna give you guys a proper fib on this because you blind. Give me one sec. Let me pull something up. Okay, this is how I would be looking at it now. Due to the fact that the RSI went under my last one, I will be looking for the support at 10 cents for sure. Like this is where the EMAs are converging. So this is very, very good support. And this is where the trap occurred for the shorts looking for lower. Now the impulse occurred from here and it's at the resistance of this 1538. You are for me, the way I trade, the way I have my setup, this is my dar air. Meaning, if you want to buy this long, you buy it now at 15 whatever, and your goal for the take profit is all the way over here at 26 cents. Okay? Once you get over here, you can go higher, okay? But you might find a hard time breaking out of that 33-cent area because people will try to take profit on their long and short in this box, okay? And then what will happen is from this box, you get a pullback. And if you can't break underneath this level, continuation will come to the next level. Does that make sense? Because what will happen is uh, this box, I mean, it's already in my eyes, it's already being done. Right? This is now your official bullish order block. If you can ever get back in this price range, buy it. That's the cheapest you will ever be able to get on this asset. This asset alone, I'm talking about. And then wherever this thing falls, you just assume that this is a buying opportunity on top of the golden pocket. This breakout that you're seeing is what we are the breakout from this level here is basically what we're watching right now. We're watching this triangle consolidation, not even have a consolidation, and just break out basically to this level, and then we're looking for that continuation move into here, and then and then it's in bullish control zone. So this week, when it closes, it doesn't matter. Next week, it's going to look for a new high to take out that wick before it actually does an SFP, if it's going to do a swing failure pattern, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is just my thoughts and honest opinion. I don't want you guys to like hate me. The market does something different because we have been in an uptrending market for a few days. Eventually, there is going to be a shakeout of over leveraged longs and shorts because people are just piling in right now. And that open interest flush is what's going to give the next buying opportunity for the uptrend continuation. So just be aware of that, okay? I'm going to remove this triangle and stuff. Just know that if it comes back in this area, it's a buying opportunity. I don't think we're going to get that opportunity right now. I think if it's going to consolidate, it might even consolidate as low as like 13. If you go to a daily, we're on weekly. The weekly already poked out. Yeah, I have to say. I don't want to see if this is going to play out with my plan. I don't want to see it go under. I don't want to see it go under 1270. This cross of the 21 EMA is the mark of the bullish order block top of support. Blah, 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 blah. So this around this 13 cents is like major support. And obviously we have 13 and a half whatever as our support fib above us. But as long as we're above the 21 EMA on a daily time frame, open and close, I'm looking for that plan to play out that I already said. Because this is the last level of resistance that you're breaking, and then you're going to see that impulse straight up. So that's my thoughts on Chiles, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, leave in the comment section below. If you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much. And yeah, I will see you guys at the next one. And don't worry, members. Video for Bitcoin and ETH and the weekly candle situation that we should be looking for next week is coming out directly to you guys and you guys alone. So thank you for supporting this channel. I will see you soon, members. Adios.